All right, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use the power of NotebookLM and Google's Gemini. Combine them both. We're going to merge them and do some very powerful things. We're going to be able to create viral social media posts. So let's get started. So you can see that we are in NotebookLM right now. You can see I have a ton of notebooks. I use this as for all kinds of different things, for diet, for other businesses, Amazon influencer program right there, of answering questions that I have. I'm on a low carb diet, so I've got 133 sources right here, so I can go and ask anything about that. And now if you want more information about this, make sure to subscribe, because I will be doing more tutorials on this, on how you can turn each one of these notebooks into kind of like a little study guide or genius. Every time you have questions, you can come over here and you can control the sources that you're getting your information from. And that's the difference between just going over to Google Gemini and or Claude or Chatgpt or something like that. It's going to go out there and find the top rated, top ranked content and just kind of, regurgitate all that information. And what I like to do is, especially when things are important to me, I like to control the environment and the sources that I'm getting my information from. So that's the number one reason why I love using NotebookLM, to control the sources and the information that I'm actually going to get, that it's going to use and extract in order to create my content or answer my questions. In this case, let's just say we're running a business and it's about the science of happiness. Let's say you are running a business and you have a YouTube channel, maybe you have a website, and you want to grow your business and you're teaching people the science of happiness, right? So I've got all these sources, 200 and something sources that we've loaded in here. Now, if you want to know how I loaded all this, obviously you can go and copy and paste and spend an hour or two doing that. There's tools out there. Just look at plugins that allow you to bulk copy YouTube URLs. And in my case, a couple of videos ago, I actually showed how I developed my own software that allowed me to just go ahead and grab all the URLs from a YouTube channel. And so these all came from mostly from one YouTube channel. You can see that we have every single one of these as a source right here. Okay. And then what I'm going to do, so that's the step number one. You're going to go and find a website, that has to do, the whole website's about science of happiness. Or you're going to go to a YouTube channel and find a whole YouTube channel that their entire thing is talking about happiness. And preferably if it's from a doctor in the field or something like that, you're going to get factual information. You're going to get really good information. And then that is where you get all this information. It knows at the click of a button, it's going to be able to draw from all these sources. So that's step number one. So once you get all this set up right here, you're going to go over here into Google Gemini. You're going to put in a prompt, something like this. I say, give me an insane AI prompt to take my massive NotebookLM notebook. Right? When you come back in over here, this is called a notebook. We come back out over here. It says create a notebook right here.
A quick heads up. I just launched a new community called AI Software Workflows, and it's for anyone overwhelmed by AI tools and software right now. The goal is simple: help you get clarity on what tools you actually need, how they fit together, and block out all the noise and hype. There's already a great group of members inside sharing real experiences, workflows, and honest takes on software and lifetime deals. You also get access to a brand new course called Build Your First AI Software Stack, which walks you through choosing the right tools for your business without overcomplicating things. It's free to join right now, but it will be moving to a paid community soon. If you want in, join today, link in the description.
Here, so this right here is called a notebook. We want to be very, very important. You want to be strategic and specific about what you're actually instructing AI to do. AI can only be as good as the person that's actually the operator. You're the operator, right? So take this massive notebook, LM notebook with 300 resources, and create a LinkedIn post, a Twitter post, and a Facebook post, and a Reddit community post. That's 4 posts, right? Start by giving me 5 viral topics I could cover. Then I'll pick the best one, and you will create all the content in a first-person, casual, laid-back writing style that is superhuman written, and there is no way you can tell it is AI written. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go ahead and just start with that. That is my initial thoughts, right? That's another layer we're adding on to using AI. Instead of just typing it out and thinking that you're the world's best prompt engineer, how about just get your thoughts out like I did? Write a paragraph, write what you want the AI to do, what you're trying to accomplish, And then it's going to come out and actually write us a prompt right over here. So it sounds like a massive project with 300 resources. You're basically sitting on a gold mine of brain, right? To make this work, we're going to lean into your transition from affiliate marketing. Okay, so it's taking some of my knowledge base and memory, but it's going to. So here are 5 viral topics. And right here, we need to instruct. I don't want the topics yet. I just want you to take the info I just gave you and make it better. Make it a really good prompt that we can use each time I want to initiate this process. Do you understand? So we're going to see if we can clear this up. Oh, I hear you. You want a master prompt that you can drop in a note. Nope, that's not what I want either. Okay, so I said, no, I want to use the prompt in Gemini and tell you which notebook in NotebookLM to connect to. Got it? So these are the kind of things that actually happen on the background. No one actually shows you. Now we've got something cooking over here. Understood. I'm ready. I have updated the prompt to be a system level command. And a lot of people will create a YouTube video and stuff like that, and they'll come out and they'll say, use this prompt right here. Well, what I'm showing you right now is what the process that they actually went through in order to get this prompt. So I didn't want to leave that out, right? So we have this right over here, and right over here, I'm going to go like this. We have our deliverables. I'm going to go to the master content prompt factory right here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here, and we're going to start a new chat, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste this in right here. And then I'm going to go right up here. There's just one thing we need to come up over here, and I'm going to go like this right here. So look, insert the topic right here. And I'm just going to fill this in right here. And I'm just going to say how to become happy. Okay, so we've got that right there. Go ahead and push the plus button, right? So very important, push the plus button in Gemini, go down to NotebookLM, and then we're going to grab that science of happiness with it. Look at that, 295 sources right there. We're going to click on that, and we're going to say add. Now we're talking. Now we're going to be cooking. We have 300 sources that we just hooked up to a very powerful large language model, Gemini. And at the click of a button, we are turning this on to steroids. Here we go. We're going to push go. And now it's going to go to work. Okay, perfect. So we have finally arrived at our 5 topics. And guess what? Once you set this up, and you can actually come over here, another little tip for you. You can come over here and you can actually create a gem. You can go and click on gems. You can go create on, and you can actually set this all up, get the instructions, get the testing done, and then you can actually just click your gem. Basically think of a project. And if you know anything about Chatgpt, it would be more like a GPT you create in Chatgpt. And if you are familiar with Claude AI, then it's called a project in Claude AI. Stay with me. Make sure to subscribe because I'll be doing a lot of tutorials on those tools. I use those every day in my business as well. But in this case, you would create a gem, and you would just be able to go in there, and everything would be all connected and ready to go. And you would just say, hey, give me 5 topics. But this is for doing it off the cuff right here. So it gave us 5 things that 5 great ideas. One stands out to me: the comparison trap escape room, a tactical guide to exiting the hedonic treadmill and the external validation loop. We'll look at the science of why your brain is wired to feel like you're losing even when you're winning, and the stoic fix for it. That's great. So number 5, let's go. And I'm going to push enter. And now the AI should be able to remember, it's got all those sources. It came up with the 5 ideas for us. And now it's going to write. And now you have this like assistant that's an expert in writing. We already fed it the prompt on how to write like a human. And let's take a look at what we've got. So LinkedIn post, unpopular opinion: your success is probably just a high-end form of mental slavery. I spent years checking the scoreboard: more followers, more revenue, more wins. I thought the next milestone would finally be the one where I could stop and feel like I made it. No, it was a lie. The finish line is a ghost. In the notes I've been taking through, there's a concept called the hedonic treadmill. It's the scientific proof. So look at how good this is right here. So that would be like your little LinkedIn post right here. And then we have a Twitter post. The comparison trap is an arena where the scorecard never ends. There's always someone richer, younger, and ahead. You can't win a game designed to keep you unsatisfied. Stop looking at their lane. Run your own race. Your only real competitor is who you were yesterday. Really good one. And then you've got your Facebook post that can be a little bit longer as well. And then you have your Reddit post right here. It's suggesting a subreddit to put that in. Or let's just say you have your own subreddit or community that you're running on Reddit. You have your title, the external. And I like how every one of these is different. It has to do with the same model and the same thing that we're talking about, but every single one of these is completely different. And so when you go and you build an audience on all these platforms and you're posting this, it has to do with the same topic, but it's written in a completely different way, strategic way for that particular platform, which is super, super helpful. We can go right over here. I've been synthesizing 300 proprietary resources on the science of happiness, blah, blah, blah. Recognize the bug of the fix and the dichotomy of control, all this. A really nice post. Question for the group: what's one success metric you're tracking right now that you know deep down is actually stealing your piece? So now you could go and copy this right here, and you could go and paste these in. Remember, while you're in Gemini, you could come in here and say, hey, give me an image on this dimension, this size for my LinkedIn post. Give me a, if you're going to post this on Instagram, give me an Instagram post. I didn't put Instagram up here, but that would be another one, right? In a square format that has to do with this, right? And now you can turn Gemini, use Notebook to control the sources, use Gemini as your writing tool, and everything is just nice and synced. So this is a really, really great workflow. Let me know below if you liked this workflow, if you're using NotebookLM in your business and how you're using it. Thanks so much. Make sure to subscribe because I'll be continuing to come up with some AI tutorials for you. And make sure to, right now, I have a free school community, AI software workflows. It's free right now to access, but it won't be free for much longer. So come and join, and I'll see you in the next video.